everyone, welcome to my channel. So guys, as summers are here and it is so important to drink a lot of water in order to stay hydrated, but it is equally important to take care of your skin and hair as well. If you don't take care of your hair, you will find the problems like a frizzy hair, sweaty bangs and a greasy roots, and ultimately one day a hair fall. So to overcome all this problem, you need to invest in a good oil, shampoo and a conditioner. So these Wow Skin Science has this onion hair care range like products. So this is basically a hair oil, then a shampoo and then a conditioner. So I found that it's a very good product since they are paraben free, sulfate free and mineral free as well. And as all Wow Skin Science products are made out of natural ingredients, and as their slogan says that chemical ki nahi to nature ki suno.
Okay, so first let me show you the texture of all these three products.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is.
So coming to its key ingredients, which is the onion and the black seeds. So what happens is that onions helps to strengthen the hair follicles, it promotes the hair growth and gives a very nice shine to your hair as well, and it improves the texture of your hair as well. Whereas the black seeds they helps in the blood circulations and it also smoothens the scalps. Then it also even prevents the graying of your hair.
Now let's move on to demo. Okay, so this is how my hair looks before a wash, and I found that it's a bit frizzy, dry today. So let's see how it turns out after using this product. So before washing my hair, I make sure that I oil my hair 6 to 5 hours before with Wow Skin Science Onion Black Seed Hair Oil. It is a nutrition rich oil that helps to control the hair and scalp problem. It is infused with extra virgin olive oil, almond oil, castor oil, jojoba oil, coconut oil, onion seeds oil, lemon oil, black seeds oil and vitamin E. It is for the rupees of 5.99 for 200 ml. Next I use is Wow Skin Science Red Onion Black Seeds Oil Shampoo. I found that it has strengthened the hair follicles, clarify the blocked roots and smoothen hair cuticles that makes the hair glossy and lustrous. It also contains a list of ingredients. As you can see, it's printed on the back side of the product and it's for the rupees of 4.99 for 300 ml. Then I move on to Wow Skin Science Red Oil Black Seed Oil Hair Conditioner, which also strengthens the hair follicles, reduces the hair fall and breakages, then repair and protect the damaged hair and provide volume to the dull hair. It also contains a list of ingredients as you can see on the screen, and it's worth for the rupees of 4.99 for 300 ml.
Okay, so this is how my hair looks after using all these products. You can see the shine as well on the hair.
It also provided a volume to my hair and a bit of silkiness as well, but I thought that the frizziness is yet there on my hair.
So coming to my experience after using this product is that I found that it has strengthened my hair, then it has cleaned the scalp, it has reduced the hair fall as well, and it has promoted for the hair growth as well. So if you are a regular user and if you want to see the greater benefits of it, so you need to use it regularly. You will definitely find a silkiness and shine, and also a tremendous growth in your hair as well. And but obvious, it cleans your scalp, Okay, so these products are suitable for all the skin types, and if you want to purchase this product, I recommend you to purchase from their website.
Because the brand has a green hand initiative where they send a pouch of seeds with every product bought from their website to encourage the people to go green. So I think that's a quite an interesting initiative taken by Wow.
And more than that, if you use my coupon,
Be Wow Some 20.
as you can see on the screen, you will get 20% off on it. Okay guys, so it's time to say bye, and please do leave your comments if you have any questions for me, and always stay silent shine and always be wow naturally with Wow Skin Care Science products.